In this video, we will show you how to install storm braces onto your polytunnel. Here are the parts you'll need. Storm braces are only fitted to intermediate hoops, not the two end hoops. Storm braces are installed over the hoop joints on the inside of the hoop. Storm braces are made from 25mm diameter tube, are 30cm long, and are flattened at both ends. Fit a Q-clip onto the hoop above the joint. If the Q-clip is stiff, use a hammer to tap onto the tube. Once the Q-clip is on the hoop, use a pair of pipe grips to close the prongs together. Locate one end of the storm brace on the Q-clip and loosely secure into place. Next, fit another Q-clip below the joint and secure the opposite ends of the storm brace. Adjust the position so the middle of the storm brace is over the joint and then firmly tighten both Q-clips. You can now repeat this process to fit the remainder of the storm braces on the intermediate hoops. You can find more videos to help you build your polytunnel at construct.firsttunnels.co.uk. We also have a construction helpline if you require any further assistance.